Hello friends, on this video how you can solve your network problem on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, if you have network problem, example like your network is not turning on, or your mobile data it's not working, your Wi-Fi it's not working, hotspot not turning on, any problem, or Bluetooth it's not working, okay, it's turned on but it's not working, file cannot send, everything, okay, YouTube cannot play YouTube also. If your network it's not working, then how can you play, right? So how you can solve your network problem? First of all friends, just move on setting, then after that here you have to scroll on the down, tap on general management, scroll on the down, click on reset. Again, if you want to know about this reset options, and here you can check this notice, then move on reset network setting, then here you have to click on reset setting. Okay, so if you click on reset setting, your network setting will, your network will be solved. Okay, this will reset all network setting, including those for Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, internet problem. This, it just includes some points, okay, but it will solve every network problem, okay, under your device. Okay, so this is how you can solve your network problem. If it doesn't solve, then you can give me a comment that it doesn't solve. Okay, if you have any problem while solving your problem, just move on reset setting and you can solve your network problem. So friends, this is how you can solve your network problem. And friends, do not forget to try your SIM card. Just insert your SIM card to another mobile phone. Who knows, your mobile phone there is a problem or under the SIM card, that's why do not forget to check. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.